Condition name condition in COBOL. A condition name condition tests a conditional variable to determine whether its value is equal to any values that are associated with the condition name. Is defined here. Obtain marks and 88 level number. 88 level number is used for conditional name. Here is range. Values are 450 through 850. 88 values are 1 through 449. The conditional variable is tested to determine whether its value falls within the range. Here we have two conditional names, pass and fail. The range of values 450 through 850 is for pass variable, and for fail variable it is 1 to 449. Here is 450. It falls, 450 falls in this range. If pass, then display passed and obtained marks are. If fail, then value falls in this range. 350 falls in the range of second variable fail. Values are 1 through 449. We can use values range or an individual to check the condition. Picture class is not used with 88 level number. Respectively, we use single value with 88 level number, conditional name, and range values. Single value with 88 level number. If choice 1, perform procedure choice 1. If choice 2, then perform procedure choice 2, or whatever we need to do in our code. These are conditional names, test, condition.